I'm in an international trading competition. Yeah, it's weird. Let's get into why. What's happening? What's going on? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. In case you didn't know, I live stream every single morning, Monday through Friday, here on this channel. So come hang out if you're interested in live trading. Now, I mentioned I'm in an international trading competition. That's weird. That's not normal. You've also noticed in the live streams that we're getting a ton of Korean comments, a ton of Korean users. I'm learning a little bit of Korean phrases. Why? Well, it's because of this guy, right? This guy put me on his live stream. He's got 200,000 followers. He put me on his live stream, which gets like 14,000 views a day because he live trades as well. And after that, it just blew up. And so it turns out he was looking for an international trader in order to see who was better, right? Whether he was better or I was better, whatever. Someone recommended my channel, which is hilarious. He pulled me up on his stream, and the rest is history. We have become a Korean day trading channel out of nowhere. So if you are Korean, welcome. Mad props for hopping on over to my channel. I love it. It's great. But we do have a friendly little rivalry going right now. So if you're tuning in every morning, you see someone being like, reverse Hodu, trade against him. Hodu is this guy. He's made a couple videos about me. Over 100,000 views at the time of this filming. So we have a nice little rivalry going here. So I do want you to know that in the future, when I pull up his stream on my stream and any other videos in the past, this is all in good fun. This is friendly fun from one trader to another across the pond. But I plan on winning this challenge. I plan on making more money, all of the good stuff there. And one day I plan on going to Korea to shake his hand in real life because he's brought some fun into the live stream for me. But I just wanted to briefly make this video, one, saying hello to all the new Korean subscribers, two, updating all of the normal subscribers. Why we have so much Korean in the chat now? It's because we get featured on this guy's stream like every day now. And three, to let everybody know that you're on the right side following this channel because we're going to win this fake, fun trading competition. And I'll see you in the next video and live stream. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Thank you.